Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file Form 1099 on TurboTax. First, identify the specific Form 1099 you received, such as a 1099 NEC or 1099 MISC. Next, ensure you have all your relevant tax documents organized and ready. Then, open TurboTax and navigate to the Income section to begin the entry process. This preparation saves time and helps prevent errors. Once in TurboTax, head to the Income and Expenses tab. You'll then be prompted to select the specific Form 1099 you need to enter. Carefully input all the details from your physical or digital Form 1099 into the corresponding fields. Double-check numbers like your payer's EIN and all income amounts to ensure accuracy before moving forward. After entering your Form 1099 data, take a moment to thoroughly review everything. Verify that all amounts, such as income and withholdings, are precisely as they appear on your original document. Also, confirm your personal details are correct. This crucial step helps catch any potential typos or discrepancies that could delay your filing or cause issues later. Finally, TurboTax will guide you through a comprehensive final review of your entire tax return, including all Form 1099 entries. Address any alerts or suggestions it provides. Once satisfied, select your preferred filing method, whether e-file or print and mail. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Congratulations on completing your tax filing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.